got a confession, yeah. If it's a crime to tell you how I feel, then I don't wanna be right, 'cause it's killing me to sit all these emotions aside. We don't have to hide this no more, no more. Ooh, baby, I don't know why it's so hard to tell you. The feelings inside come sooner or later, and honestly, I'm not afraid to say what we could be. That's why I'm asking to be my everlasting love. I've been really taking my time, anticipating your replies, been weighing on my mind. Got me contemplating. If I tell you, you might shut me down, but if I don't, you may not come around. We could be so special, on to the next level. I don't know why it's so hard to tell. So damn hard. The feelings inside come sooner or later. And honestly, I'm not afraid to say what we could be. That's why I'm asking to be my everlasting love. I don't know why it's so hard to tell you. The feelings inside come sooner or later, and honestly,